type WP reset and install the first one with over 200,000 active installs. Activate it like I did. It will then create a new small menu. We'll go there right away via Settings in Tools, WP Reset. WP Reset is a versatile plugin, but we'll focus only on its main function, resetting our site. So we scroll down, and here we'll let it reactivate the WP Reset extension. You can always delete it later, no worries. You can choose to reactivate your current theme and active plugins, but it's not required. So I'm not checking these two boxes. I'll treat this like a fresh install, letting WP Reset install if you want. Next, all you need to do is go to this field here and type reset. Once that's done, you reset the site. I stress, this is usually irreversible. You can undo it. If you do this, be sure you know why and are certain. Then go ahead and click Reset Site. So yeah, he doesn't want a capital R. There, lowercase r, reset the site. He's really insistent, giving one last warning. Are you sure you want to do this? No problem for me. It's a demo site, so I'll reset. Now I'm back in the dashboard with everything reset. Let's check out our site. If I right-click, go to Site, we see the fresh installation. It's the 2020 theme, not 2021. So that's the default theme. If we go to Posts, it's empty. Just the default Hello World post. Media is empty too. Pages has a sample page and privacy policy. Comments still has the example comment. Everything's back to day one. In appearance, it kept your Canon's theme. If you want to change the theme, just go ahead and delete it. I won't do it now as it's not necessary, but you can start from scratch here too. As for extensions, they'll remain. You'll need to delete them if you want, so just delete them. They're not reactivated, just delete them. You can also disable WP Reset at this point. For accounts, it's back to 0 too. Even the settings are completely reset. In permalink settings, it's back to simple structure, which isn't good. Always switch to post name permalinks. This way you can easily start fresh on WordPress using my YouTube tutorials.
You don't have beard, you want to get same beard like me? Or you don't have eyebrow or hair? I'm the owner of one amazing brand. I help women and men forget eyebrow for women, hair or beard for men. So if you don't have anything else, go to my website complicated.com. I can help you to get this one. I show you proof here. I had 0 beard and I get 1 beard in 3 months with proof. So let's do it now and be handsome, have trust and more happy. Let's do it.